Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Civic versus Kia Ceed. We'll dive into their core attributes, examining what makes each car a strong contender in its class. You'll learn about their performance capabilities, fuel economy, and the overall driving experience. We'll also explore the interior design, comfort levels, and the advanced technology each vehicle offers. This comparison will help you decide which car best suits your needs. When it comes to performance, the Honda Civic typically boasts a range of engines, including options with higher horsepower, offering a more spirited drive. The Kia Ceed, on the other hand, focuses on a balanced and comfortable ride, making it excellent for daily commuting. Both vehicles provide responsive handling and reliable braking, ensuring confidence on the road. We'll look at how their suspensions and transmissions contribute to their distinct driving dynamics. Stepping inside, the Honda Civic presents a sleek, driver-centric interior with intuitive controls and a modern aesthetic. The Kia Ceed counters with a practical and spacious cabin, often utilizing soft-touch materials for a premium feel. Both cars are equipped with impressive infotainment systems, supporting smartphone integration and navigation. They also prioritize safety, offering a suite of driver assistance features to enhance your peace of mind on every journey. Considering value, the Honda Civic has a long-standing reputation for excellent reliability and maintaining strong resale value over time. The Kia Ceed often stands out with its generous warranty, providing extended coverage for owners. Both cars offer competitive pricing and running costs, making them attractive choices. For more details and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.